Hi, welcome back in the mess in the Not Just Sawdust workshop. Vlog number 2 about tearing everything apart and getting it ready for transport. That whole machine that I made the table legs on, gonna take it apart and I'm gonna put the cabinet back, which is gonna stay here, but then I've got room to stack up some boxes. The same goes for the work table, and the other work table I'm just going to get off the tools, so I've got like a whole wall here where I can put up boxes that I will have to move. But it's not going as quickly as I want to, and I don't know where I'm going to put stuff. I just have to throw away a lot. Now I've got a friend who said he could use all the wood that I don't take with me. He just wants to chop it up as firewood. So except for the particle board, I can get rid of all the wood, so that's a good thing. I'm going to put all the metal, all the scrap metal outside, and hope that I can find somebody who can pick it up, because that's going to be a lot when everything comes from the attic. And for the rest, well, it's just keep on packing and keep on taking things apart. So let's get on with it. Now I'm looking for my cutters. Where are they? I just had them, I'm sure. So I'm getting there slowly, but I've got to find a way to fix this stuff together. These are my mahogany and beech, mostly for guitar necks and things like that. And of course this I want to save and take with me, but of course it doesn't fit in a in a box or anything, so I've got to find out how I pack this up in small packages. Just tape it together, I think. loose rock to keep the energy going after the 2 days of packing. This is the result, a whole wall of crates and boxes. I've limited myself to 1 box of aluminium, 1 box of metal, 1 box of hinges and what's left will just have to go. So you've seen a nice view on the Lonesome Hill. I don't have a drone, but Google Earth now makes it possible to record it. So I thought, well, let's see around here. There are no real 3D images, only in the big cities, but well, at least that gives an overview of where we are and the water around, things like that. So yeah, that's it for this video update. Managed to get everything in, but then there's still a lot of tools, there's still a lot upstairs which has to, somehow needs to get a place. I'm going to sort out the rest of the wood, so all the guitar wood and things like that is all packed. I've got to do a lot of these little plates of oak and things like that, and then sort out the hardwood that I think I can use, and then the rest will go to a friend who can do whatever he wants with it, but I think he just cuts it up and puts it in the wood burner. He also takes away the concrete mixer. I don't think I'm going to use that anymore, so that's going to go to a friend. Then another friend comes to collect the big PA equipment. I'm not going to take that with me either. I'm just going to keep a little set and that's it. No more organizing blues festivals or things like that. We thought we were going to do that here in Portugal. We did a few little garden things, but we don't need the big systems anymore. And it's going to a friend who also makes cigar box guitars and things like that, and he also performs with them, which I can't. But he's going to be in the area of where we're moving to, so I think we can do some projects together in the future, but I'll introduce you to him whenever, that is the case. So yeah, got all my liquids in this box, so all the bottles can stand up so they don't, you don't have any problems with leaking. Still have a few tools just to, well, we need to take things apart maybe or put things together, so you cannot get all the tools away. And then it's getting rid of all the scrap metal, the aluminium. Maybe I get some money for it or not, I don't care. If somebody is, willing to collect it, they can have it. It's a lot, so you could probably make some money on it now with the prices that that are going around on the weight of metal and aluminium. So, but I took all the parts that I think I need, especially the ones that are used for making flight cases. So I kept all the little corners and the profiles and things like that. So that's all in here somewhere, and sometimes I find another piece that should have been in this box or that box, so there's going to be a few boxes with miscellaneous. Just can't get it all in exactly the right boxes, but it's mostly where it should be. So that's it. For the ones who do woodworking, just do it. It's a nice way to spend your time. Some recycling, even better way to spend your time, but taking a break and relax is also a good way to spend your time. So it's now about 11 o'clock in the evening, and I call it a day. I'll see you in the next video at the logo. Garbage bags. Where did I have garbage bags? Them. Ah, yeah. Lots of garbage bags. Yeah. See that tomorrow.